Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You arrive and you act. Secure the perimeter and keep people out to preserve prints. Once done, don clean gloves, mask, and shoe covers so you don't deposit prints of your own. Make a quick visual sweep for likely print-bearing surfaces, glass, metal, glossy plastic, because these yield the best latent prints. Photograph each surface now with scale and orientation before touching anything. Make sure to annotate location and lighting, so you can reproduce conditions later in the process. You now develop the prints using a method suited to the surface. For smooth, non-porous items, lightly dust with fingerprint powder using soft strokes and lift prints with adhesive tape, mounting them on a card with notes. For plastics and complex shapes, set up cyanoacrylate fuming in a controlled chamber to polymerize prints. For porous materials like paper, use ninhydrin to reveal amino acid residues, allow proper drying times, and document each step. Always photograph prints before and after development to preserve evidence. You finish by thoroughly documenting and packaging the evidence. Photograph every developed print with a metric scale and perpendicular lighting, using consistent file names that include case number and location. Carefully affix lifted prints to backing cards and place items in separate, appropriate evidence containers. Seal and label each with chain of custody information. Then submit to the lab with your notes on methods and conditions. If prints are faint or smeared, note the issue and request specialized enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.